Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It is time to take my twist out. This is what I'm working with. Yeah, we got some new growth and that's cool. So it was just temporarily. Now that I took all the twists out, you know what comes next. After that, you got to make sure you thoroughly detangle your hair. And when it comes to that, you see I'm starting at the end. It looks like I'm actually being pretty rough, but I'm not. And then I'll go to the roots for the shedded hair that needs to come out before I wash my hair. And I just mix my pre-poo conditioner that I mix, well, pre-poo co-wash. And that's nothing but shea butter, honey, olive oil, coconut oil, and conditioner, just so I can soften it up before I actually go in the shower and rinse all of this gunk out of my hair. Since I'm all finished with the front, I'm going to do the back off camera and go through it swiftly. Then I'll come back after I'm fully washed so I can start the blow drying process. This is honestly going to be a quick video. I'm going to be in here all day doing my hair. Not today. No ma'am. No ma'am. Alright, I'll be back. Folks, I'm all back and this is what we're rocking with. I actually forgot that I said I was going to record on camera with the blow drying, but I'm all blow dried out. This is how much hair I lost. You can't see. This is how much hair I lost when I just did the dry shedding with the shea butter. This is how much I lost in the shower. So combine that for, we just shot I say 3.5 weeks with those twists in my hair. Yeah, this is what we're rocking with. And I'm just going to do a simple braid down. Nothing too fancy, anything. But we're just going to speed. everybody's quick weave is going to be different. And for me, you see that I still have some of the black wrap going past my actual stocking cap. And I have that for a reason because I have a 5 head. I don't want my quick weave to start where my actual hairline starts at. I wanted to be a little bit further. I want a petite forehead, not this dome that I got. Granted, I like my forehead because I got more space to work with, especially when I put on a wig. This is what I'm rocking with. So it's actually blue in here also, but I'm not sure if you can actually see the color. It's more of a dark blue. But this is what we're working with our side part, and we are done. Remember, this is only going to be in for a couple weeks until I get my trim. I chopped off a good amount. I did. Let's see what this happened. Oh yeah. Chopped off a good amount. There you see it. Gave myself some layers because I'm a little bit bounced. Alright. And I left out a little bit of my edges to give it more of a realistic look. And that is all it. A low maintenance quick weave 2x6 closure. Blase blase. I think this is the last couple bundles of the hair that my sister gave me. But guess what? She missed out because this one is nice. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios.